Ciao ragazzi. So I'm back, but guess where I am? ये बहुत टाइम से लंबा ड्रीम था to visit Italy, and we are. So here is Ahmed with family, and there is someone third member in the family who does not want. So आज हम सुबह आ गए थे मॉर्निंग में, उसके बाद हम होटल में आके सो गए क्योंकि बहुत थक गए थे आफ्टर लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 24 आवर्स घर से निकलने के बाद. एंड अब हम रेस्टेड हैं, वेल रेस्टेड. सो होपफुली अब हम थोड़ा सा घूम सकते हैं आज एंड कैन यूटिलाइज आज का दिन भी. सो अभी हम यहाँ पे मेट्रो स्टेशन पे आए थे. वी आर गोइंग टू अ मार्केट जो कि वहाँ पे अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट्स है. इट्स कॉल्ड ट्रास्टावेरे, आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ यू प्रोनाउंस इट, बट वी आर गोइंग देयर. और वहाँ पे कोई रेस्टोरेंट्स ढूंढेंगे, बट उससे पहले हमारा जो एडवेंचर है दैट इज़ फिगरिंग आउट द बस, बिकॉज मेट्रो जो है वो बंद थी, मेट्रो स्टेशन बंद था बिकॉज ऑफ सम कंस्ट्रक्शन और समथिंग. सो अभी हम बस फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं, वेटिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट बस, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. द 72 आवर पास यहाँ पे जो हम अगले 3 दिन यूज़ कर सकते हैं विद इन रोम ओनली. तो उसमें हम ट्रेन बस कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, कितनी बार भी आ जा सकते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर प्लानिंग टू डू, to explore these area with the public transport. So we'll take you everywhere with us. So after like almost 2 hours of bus ride, walking, finally हम एक restaurant में पहुँचे हैं जो it looks good, but we will find out. It's called Tulipano Nero. We'll find out how it is. It's very crowded. Looks like a popular place to be, but we are still waiting for the food to come. Here is our food जो कि almost 2 hours के बाद आया है. It's 11 o'clock at night and just food just came. So this is one of the pasta Amit ordered. Some kind of vegetarian pasta. Very food. And this is cacio e pepe. Looks nice. Very cheesy. And here is Soham's pizza. Nowhere to be seen. Here is.
No, what to say. This is not what I expected, but
Soham ka cheese
this
pizza.
is giant.
5 cheese.
4 cheese pizza. It's 12 o'clock at night, or doesn't look like this city sleeps. अभी भी रोड्स पर बहुत हलचल है, सब टूरिस्ट घूम रहे हैं. Seems like a safe area. Look at this. Buildings are so beautiful.
हेलो दोस्तों, मानसी के दोस्तों.
Good morning. So आज है हमारा second day in Rome and we are here. अभी सुबह के होंगे, कितने बजे होंगे? 8 o'clock. And we are at Colosseum. We had our photo shoot in the morning, which was really nice. So we went to Trevi Fountain in the morning and then Colosseum. And here I can show you Colosseum in the morning. टाइमिंग्स फिक्स्ड हैं, टिकट्स टाइमिंग, सो लाइक यू कैन गो फॉर, हमारी 2 टिकट्स हैं यहाँ पर. फर्स्ट इज़ जस्ट फॉर 20 minutes in on the arena floor, and then there is one more. So yeah, अभी क्योंकि हम सुबह आज बहुत जल्दी उठ गए थे फॉर द फोटोशूट, तो अभी हम ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रहे हैं. इट्स अ गुड वॉक. तो देखते हैं खाने को क्या मिलता है. At some point, but now this is broken. Yeah.
Just fell.
Oh, the center part used to be arena.
Yeah, it was all arena. जैसे हम यहाँ हैं ना ऐसे.
Yeah.
Y también entiendo por qué Valga podía pasar hambre durante el tiempo.
So what was it, Soham?
The Colosseum used to actually fill up with water so
These.
that they could simulate a naval battle.
Okay, that's what Soham thinks, that this underground lanes we are seeing now, it used to be filled with water to do some kind of naval battle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they would fill it up and they would empty it.
And then they'd have to rebuild the entire floor.
Oh. Lot of history in this place. Too bad we don't have a guide to tell us. So that's the only thing we are missing right now. I wish we had some kind of guide here. Yeah, but we could not get the ticket, so too bad. We have 2 tickets. We bought 2 different kind of tickets. One, currently we are in the arena area, but after this, once we go out after 20 minutes, we'll go to these other floors that you can see here on 2nd and 3rd floor. So we will go to all that, see all over around, but just cannot go into the underground thing. That has to be done with the guided tour, and those tickets are almost impossible to get. But pretty cool. Pizza focaccia. कैसी है?
Very yummy.
Trying the focaccia bread. This is a very famous restaurant. Very, very old restaurant. I don't know, maybe like 100-year-old or something. And their focaccia is the best thing I have ever tried. So yummy. Look at it. It's so yummy. इटली में ही रहना शुरू कर दे.
400 पाउंड कर देंगे. 400 पाउंड कर देंगे.
Here is my pasta, pesto pasta. I'm going to try.
Mamma mia. Let me get some olive.
first bite of Hamit's pasta. How is it?
It's good.
How much good? Is it better than yesterday or not?
No,
No?
but it's good.
Okay.
It's tomato, I think that's the difference.
What's the chances this?
This is my
It has a
first
different
bite.
flavor than the normal tomato.
What's the chances this is better than this?
I don't know. Try it and tell me.
100%.
This is very al dente. Now I see someone on one of the vlog, Indian person, was saying it's very kacha pasta here. This is actually al dente.
It's so different.
I like it. It's not as good as their focaccia bread, but the pasta is good. So good.
So good.
Look at the size of smart car.
There's only driver.
Are there seats? Yeah, there are 2 seats. And now we are heading to Pantheon. I guess just for the roads. It's just a pretty view. लोग तो अभी भी जा रहे हैं अंदर.
I mean, if it opens at
It may be. Yeah.
9 to 7.
I checked the visiting hours.
It's 9
I know they are over.
They don't know.
So looks like someone is tired after the long walk. This was our GPS this time. For the first time he guided us.
And I did good.
And he's so proud of it.
I got us here.
he took,
I didn't even
he
take
brought
any
us
real
here.
long turn.
Oh look, there is a fountain there. Which fountain is that? I think this is. So रोम में ये बोला हम तो भाई भाई साहब. हमें तेरी शक्ल तो सच्ची में थकी हो रही है.
Oh, no, yeah.
हाँ. 15,000? मेरे तो ज़्यादा है.
I think this doesn't sound right.
I have 18,634 steps. और अभी टाइम क्या हुआ है?
7:38.
तो अभी हमारा 4-5 घंटे और घूमने का प्लान है. एटलीस्ट until midnight. Yeah.
Maybe like 11.
So we'll have like maybe कितने हो जाएंगे जब 18,000 ऑलरेडी है?
20,000.
No, it will be much more than that.
21.
If we go to Spanish Steps, Soham, it will be much more than that.
I don't know where we're going.
Spanish Step is at least 15 minutes of walk. Yeah. So we'll have a lot more steps. Good thing. जब यहाँ पे when we are eating so heavy food, तो साथ साथ digest भी हो रहा है. And which is nice. But पैरों की हालत थोड़ी सी अभी ख़राब है. ज़्यादा तो नहीं है.
No.
यहाँ पर वैसे ये पैंथियन जो है ये बंद हो चुका है. सो हाँ, पैंथियन क्या होता था?
Originally a Roman temple, like ancient Roman.
ओके.
But then after like a while, it's been a Catholic church. So now it's a church, but it used to be a temple.
Oh yeah. So it used to be a Roman temple, but then they changed it to. They turned it into a church, now I remember about it. It has a huge hole in the center, and the floor is designed in a way. जब भी यहाँ rain होती है, तो उसका सारा पानी उससे निकलता है. Like अंदर फ्लडेड नहीं होता कभी भी. देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज होल एंड देयर इज़ समथिंग एल्स अबाउट दैट ह्यूज होल. पता नहीं मंथ में क्या होता है वहाँ पे. कोई लाइट.
Then it doesn't have a roof.
No, it does have a roof and very beautiful roof. The ceiling is very pretty, but
And it has a open like
open,
and then
yeah. In the center of the building there is a huge hole. It has something to do about the light.
It's called the yacht.
What is it called?
The hole is called the yacht.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what it is. Son, can I see your Oreo tiramisu? Oreo tiramisu, mango tiramisu, and pistachio tiramisu.
So my tiramisu is good.
What do you think? How good?
I think we gotta get some fun.
Out of
The mangoes are here.
Out of
Try
10.
करेगा? Mango.
So, tiramisu खाकर अब नींद आ रही है. It was okay. It was not the best. But मैंने इसका रिव्यू देखा था कोई फूड ब्लॉगर के ब्लॉग में, and they were saying, oh, this is a must try item, but I don't think there is any such special thing in it. It was just okay. Yeah, you could better eat gelato. I think. Do you think gelato is better than this?
Yeah, I like tiramisu.
Yeah.
But I never liked tiramisu.
Yeah, I think even though I like tiramisu, but I think gelato is a better option if you want to have a dessert. So here, there is that 100 tiramisu. I'll show you again. One more time. यहाँ के सभी रेस्टोरेंट में अंदर बैठने के लिए स्पेस काफ़ी कम होता है. So there were barely like 2 या 3 टेबल थी, एंड 2 या 3 टेबल ही बाहर हैं, एंड स्टिल देयर इज़ अ लाइन. सो बट इट्स अ क्विक आइटम, सो लोग जल्दी खा के जल्दी निकलते हैं. एंड या
जैसे देखो वीडियो में रैंडम थिंग्स होती है ना.
हाँ.
इसमें भी रैंडम थिंग्स होती है. अंदर देखो, and there's a head of some statue. Ancient Roman.
In the restroom, there was just some.
देयर इज सम पेंटिंग,
They're speaking Hindi.
Understand?
आर्ट शॉप, आर्ट गैलरी.
Left or right? Right. That's a car too.
Szerintem gyerekek szerepe az alkot nem jó, hogy messze.
सो हम कोलोसियम दोबारा देखने आए थे विद द नाइट लाइट्स ऑन, एंड इट इज़, आई थिंक इट वॉज वर्थ कमिंग अगेन. I don't know if camera is doing enough justice. You can see the 3D images that are popping up at night. Oh, sorry. And they look pretty cool. Let me try to zoom in and see. But yeah, here it is. Colosseum at night. Another experience. Pretty cool.